morning, everyone. We're about to present our proposals to at least contribute to the community. So my proposal is about community nutrition and food security proposal. Access to nutritious food is essential for physical and mental health well-being. However, food insecurity remains a significant issue in many communities, leading to malnutrition, stress, and increased vulnerability to health problems. This proposal aims to implement a community nutrition and food security programs to ensure that all community members, particularly children and vulnerable families, have access to healthy food and nutrition education. This initiative aligns with broader community, such as promoting preventative healthcare by addressing dietary-related health issues and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So the strategy of my proposal is community food banks, establish food banks that distribute fresh and nutritious food to family in needs, nutrition education programs. You can use the library organization for that one. Conduct workshop in schools, community centers, and libraries on healthy eating, meal planning, and food preparation. Community gardens. Develop shared garden spaces where residents can grow fruits and vegetables. Food redistribution partnership. Collaborate with local grocery stores, restaurants, and farms to redirect surplus food to community food banks. How about you, Lakshmi? What's your proposal and how can you contribute to the community?
So, in my proposal, maybe we can organize in a free or low cost health screening for conditions like diabetes and cholesterol for them, and partnering with local healthcare providers to offer them to workshops on nutrition, exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices.
Yeah, this one I have proposal.
For nutrition and food security, I have a proposal on meditation. So my goal is to improve access to nutritious food and combat food insecurity. So the strategies, I will establish community gardens and urban farming projects, develop local food banks, and subsidize meals programs, conduct nutrition and education workshop for all age groups. The outcome for this will be reduce malnutrition and diet related disease, increase community engagement in food sustainability, strengthen local food supply chain.
So in your strategies, community education program, establish free community educations, sessions for mindfulness workshop to reduce stress, promote mental health, and encourage elections. Yes.
Yes.
What about you, Monique?
Okay. My strategy is about the library. So, according to the nutrition, we can help in putting the reading programs in our libraries and putting books clubs and also workshops so that people can know more about the nutrition and understand how nutrition is done. So that's how I can reach in our library.
Okay, so I have to finalize my strategy, add up my contribution to the community. So yours is about library organization. Yeah?
Yeah.
We can do educational resource hub on your Library. Libraries can provide books, workshop, and online resources on nutrition, food security, and meal planning to educate the community.
Yeah.
Another points for to help my proposal. Yeah. Community engagement space. Libraries can serve as a venue for nutrition workshop, meditation sessions, and child abuse prevention programs, making essential information accessible. And you, Lakshmi, like, to finalize my proposal, so you can help my proposal. Yeah. Preventing nutrition-related diseases, promoting preventative healthcare along with nutrition programs by educating the community on healthy eating habits to reduce risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart diseases. Second point is access to health screening and resources. Healthcare initiative can provide nutrition-based health screenings such as BMI checks, diabetes screenings, and link individuals to food security programs to prevent diet-related health issues. And you, Priya, like, your proposal is about meditation, yeah? So first point is mental health support. Meditation helps reduces stress and anxiety, which are common among food insecure families and individuals facing child abuse traumas. Second point is mindful eating practices. Encouraging meditation can help promote mindful eating habits, improving awareness of nutritional choices, and fostering a healthier relationship with food. So yeah, I think that would be a very big help to my proposal.